Hi, to set up personal hotspot on your CMF phone one, just open settings and from here choose network and internet tab. After that you should see hotspot and tethering, just select it. Now we can actually set hotspot. For that, tap on this Wi-Fi hotspot and before enabling it we can adjust its settings. For example, we can rename it to something else. I'm gonna just leave it like that and tap OK. Here we can switch to different type of security, but this one is default and preferred option, so I'm gonna leave it that way. And here you can actually check your hotspot password and you can change it. For example, I'm gonna enter from 1 to 8 and tap OK. And I highly recommend you to enable this turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected, because hotspot drains battery a lot, so don't keep it enabled all the time. Disable it automatically just by tapping on the switcher. And now we can actually enable it by tapping right here. And let me show you how it works. So we need to take other device, open its settings, and then go in Wi-Fi. Here you should enable Wi-Fi, and after that simply wait till you could see the name of this phone's network in the list. So we got this name CMF by Nothing Phone 1, and let's wait till it will appear in this list. And yep, here it is. I can see it. I can immediately select it. Then enter this network's password, which was from 1 to 8, and tap blue button join. And now just in a few seconds we will be connected to this network, and this hotspot icon appears in the upper right corner on the device to which you connected. So there is another option how we can connect to this phone's network. And for that you can scan QR code, so tap this QR code icon. Here you need to verify that it's you, and now you can simply point the camera at this QR code and you'll see this option to join to this network, and just tap join button, and in that case you don't need to enter this network's password. So you can also find this feature if you swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center. And from here, simply find personal hotspot, which looks like that. So let me just exit this edit mode. Here, when you see that this icon is white, then hotspot is on. If you tap it, you'll disable hotspot. And that's basically it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.